7th and 8th graders, we have an opportunity to watch some career videos on 5 different careers that may or may not interest you. So you're going to pick a couple of them that you would like to see. So this is a Google form that you should have gotten in your email. The first thing that you're going to do is put in your last name, then your first name, and then you're going to pick whether or not you're in 7th or 8th grade. I'm going to say I'm in 7th, and then pick your advisory teacher. Just be careful here. There is Mr. Douglas and Mrs. Douglas. So pick your advisory teacher. And then next to your career you are most interested in, choose the number 1 box. So there is aviation, diesel technology. So aviation is flying planes, okay? And the interview is actually like a crop duster. That is small planes. Diesel technology, they work on tractors and semis. So this is like a John Deere store that a guy works at John Deere and he talks about it. Doctor, medical doctor, they work on people, obviously. Everybody should know what a doctor is. And this is a 3rd-year medical student at the KU Med Center. Veterinarian, so we're actually going to talk to a veterinarian who they work on animals, and she owns her own clinic. And then welding, this is a female welding teacher at a welding, oh my goodness, I forgot the word, at a welding school. Couldn't think of the word school. So this is a post-secondary education, so this is a college level welding teacher. And so what you're going to do is you're going to pick your number 1 favorite. Like if I'm really interested in veterinary, I'm going to do that one. And then let's say definitely aviation, number 2, diesel technology 3, welding 4, and then doctor 5. So you need to pick 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so only pick 1, 1, only pick 1, 2, only pick 1, 3, and so on. Okay, so once you have that done, then you can go ahead and you can submit it. Okay, and just hit submit, and then you are done with me, and you can go on to your next thing. Thanks, everyone.